Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how you can turn a simple MT4 indicator into a profitable scalping robot in less than 5 minutes using our indicator automator. For this purpose, you can use any MT4 indicator that has some kind of buy and sell signals like arrows, dots, MA line crosses, color changing lines, histograms and other similar indicators whose colors can be changed under the indicator's colors tab. And also you can even use indicators that draw objects on the chart as buy and sell signals. For demonstration purposes, we are going to use an arrow based indicator called super arrow indicator in backtesting. Let's get started. First, you need to have our indicator automator. We have given the download link in the description. Of course, you may first try our free demo and get the full version later. First, you need to place the Automata EA file in your MT4's experts folder and then place the indicator that you are going to automate directly under your MT4's indicators folder. Now load the indicator onto the chart. You can see the arrows for buy and sell. Now you need to identify the correct color IDs or the buffer numbers of your indicator. If you look at the colors tab under the indicator settings, you will notice that the color ID 2 is for the green arrow or the buy signal and the color ID 3 is for the red arrow or the sell signal. If you are unsure about the color IDs, you can just change the colors and see if the arrow colors on the chart change accordingly. Now switch on the backtesting module of your MT4 and select the automator. Then save a template in the same name as the automator file name so that you can see the indicator running during the backtesting. Also, you need to make sure that your MT4 has the history data for the period you are going to do the backtesting. You can check this under the history center under the options. Now let's set up the automator for this indicator. Under the setting number 1, you need to type the indicator name exactly as your indicator file name. Otherwise, the automator will not recognize the indicator. Then under the setting number 6 and 7, you need to add the previously identified color IDs for buy and sell respectively. In our case, 2 was for buy and 3 was for sell. Then under the setting number 18, you need to adjust the lot size. We recommend you add 0.01 lot per each $500 in your account. Since we are going to backtest it $5,000 deposit, we will add 0.1 lot size. You may increase the lot size later as you like based on the accuracy of your indicator. Now we need to update the stop loss and take profit in pips. Since we are trying to make a scalping robot, our stop loss and take profit will be small. Since we will be testing on H1 chart, we will set both take profit and stop loss as 5 pips. You can set yours as per the time frame you are going to use. Now basically we are ready to start our test. But there are few other settings that you need to know. They are the setting number 73 to 76. Under the setting number 73, you will notice that we have enabled price optimization. This means we will be adding new positions in order to optimize the average price of the positions as a whole when the price goes against us. Under the setting number 75, you will also notice that we are using a very mild martingale method. If you want to completely switch off the martingale function, you can set the multiplier as 1 instead of 1.25. However, unlike doubling the lot size after a losing trade, we are using only a 1.25 increase, which is actually not so risky in most cases. In order to further minimize the risk, we have set the maximum number of concurrent trades as 10 trades under setting number 74. If you need to go even further, you may add a stop loss based on the drawdown under setting 76. But we are not going to use it here for now. Now simply select the testing pair symbol, price model and the period of testing and click on the visual mode as well. We will be testing it for few months on control points to save time. Once everything is done, click on the Start button to start the test. Now you can see the Automata is making trades as per our indicator signal in the backtest. Now let's look at the results. You will see that we have ended in profits. Likewise, you can use any indicator as previously explained to automate trading based on the indicator signals. This was only a simple example, and the Automata has so many other features to further filter the indicator signals and optimize the profits. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.